Do you love the story? Yes, friends, I will tell you a story of a child whose name is Ben. B-E-N-S, Ben's. Okay. So, we will today see the story of Ben's Christmas Wish. Ben's Christmas Wish. What is the name of the story? Ben's Christmas Wish. When you wish something, that time what? Your parents give you already that thing. Yes? When you wish something like toy, like books and all, story books and all, what does your parents do? Your parents give you all that things. So, today, Ben is also wishing on the Christmas day, he is also wishing something special. So, today we are going to see the story. Ben's Christmas Wish. Ben was sad. What does the Ben was? The Ben was very sad. Dad was going away on work. What Dad was doing? He was going to the work. All the way from England to Australia. All the way from England to Australia. He wouldn't be home for Christmas because he want to go outside for the work. He cannot stay at home for the Christmas. Ben loved decorating the Christmas tree. Ben loves to decorate the Christmas tree. Ben loves decorating the Christmas tree with Dad. Ben loves with his dad to decorate the Christmas tree. They wouldn't build the snowman. They wouldn't build the snowman together because he was going for work. So they both cannot make the snowman together. So, but now this time Ben waves goodbye as Dad left from the airport. As Ben's father left from his airport, the Ben what he said? He said goodbye to his dad. It's okay, Ben. What is it? Mother said. It's okay, Ben, said mom. We will still have fun. What we will do? We will still have the fun. If father is went for some work, so I am there. So we will also enjoy. So Ben made a face. Ben made a face like this. He made a face. So after that, fun. Without that we can also make a fun. Why don't you write a letter to Santa? What her mother said that why you not write a letter to the Santa Claus? So what his mother said to Ben, what that you write a letter to the Santa. Okay. What did he want for Christmas? What do he want from Christmas? A car, a train set, a puppy, chocolate cake, or new shoes. Whatever you want, you can write. Yes? He wanted all of this. What he want? He want all of this. But most of all, he wanted Dad to be at home. Yes, because children also love his dad. So he also want his dad to be with him. So he was sad. But what has his mother said? To write a letter for Santa. And he wanted a car. He wanted a train set, a puppy, chocolate cake and new shoes. He wanted all this. But his dad was not at home. Ben wrote his letter to Santa. What does he do? He writes a letter to Santa. He puts it under the pillow. What he do? When he was sleeping, he put it under the pillow. Then he shut his eyes and wishes hard. What does he do? He closes his eyes and he wishes hard. Means in sleeping he is dreaming. That time his wishes is very hard. That time see what happened? The next morning When Ben was eating his breakfast, he heard a car coming in. What did he think? He saw a car coming in. Who could be it? Who could be it? Who was that? Who brought the car? It was Dad. It was Dad. Means Ben's papa came. Ben couldn't believe it. What does he do? He can't believe because his father went for work and exactly in the morning how he came. So he can't believe in his eyes. It was snowing too much. It was snowing too much. Means it was little bit snowing. So it was snowing too much, said Dad. We couldn't fly in this weather because of the weather was not clear. They cannot fly. So he not went to the work from Australia. Where from where he did not went? He did not went from England to Australia because of that not clear weather. Whippy, said Ben. Whippy, said Ben. His wish had come true. What does it wish to? He what wishes hard, so it came true. And that Christmas, Ben and Dad, and that Christmas day, what? Ben and Dad built the biggest snow ever. He also, his dad and Ben, they both make a snowman very bigger with the help of that snow. Yes. So this is the story of Ben and his Christmas wishes. Means if our wishes is hard, so our wishes come true. Like that, Ben's also wish came true. Because of that not clear weather, his dad couldn't go for England to Australia for work. So when he get up in the morning and he was doing his breakfast, that time a car came to his house in. So that time what he saw? His father in front of him. So he can't believe of that. So if our wishes are true, so it can come in, it can be possible to comes our dream true. Okay students, now this is the story I have told. In the next section I will take the second part of this story. Thank you.